On today's battlefield, victory depends on speed, agility, and the ability to adapt faster than the enemy. That's why the Army is transforming in contact, a revolutionary approach to modern warfare. It's about getting our warfighters the most cutting-edge technology as fast as possible and fostering a culture of innovation from the bottom up. More lethal. This isn't just about giving our soldiers the most advanced technology. It's about ensuring they can employ it in new and innovative ways to dominate the battlefield. More survivable. One hard lesson from recent conflicts: if it can be seen, it can be destroyed. We're shrinking our electromagnetic signature, utilizing secure commercial technology to create smaller, more mobile command posts that are harder to target and easier to deploy. More mobile. The new Infantry Squad Vehicle, or ISV, is a game changer. Lightweight and easily transportable by air or sea, it gives our soldiers unparalleled tactical mobility. More flexible. Transforming in contact means adapting to any situation. We're prototyping new, more agile brigade configurations and streamlining the acquisition process to get vital technology like counter-drone systems and advanced electronic warfare tools into the hands of our soldiers faster than ever before. Innovation from the bottom up. This revolution starts with our soldiers. We're empowering them to be problem solvers, providing direct feedback to developers, and shaping the future of warfare. The battlefield is evolving faster than ever. Transforming in contact ensures that the U.S. Army remains the most lethal and dominant land force in the world.